Welcome to Wired In. Today we're talking about lighting. Now I know maybe more than any other business technology over the last 5 to 10 years, lighting has changed drastically. I mean,
and it's changing right now.
It's probably, it's changing as we speak. So maybe kind of outline, because if I'm a facility manager and I'm looking at lighting and I look up, every time I look up it's different, or
Right.
there's a new solution, or someone's bombarding me with, hey, here's a new whiz-bang thing that's gonna solve all your problems. So can you give me kind of an overview of how lighting has changed and how we approach lighting differently now than we used to?
Well, lighting now is like a computer.
Sure.
Almost like a smartphone. I mean, the lighting in the old days was a lamp. It was a fluorescent.
The old days of 5 years ago.
5 years ago, right? and we still find them today, right? Old technology, T12. I mean, that technology was basically a driver and a lamp, right? And it's a fixture. Now you've got computer chips on board in lighting fixtures. So the technology is changed drastically. The way light is produced has changed drastically. Now it's an LED as opposed to a lamp, a filament. So technology continues to progress and get better. So technology, now that it is progressed the way it is, it's saving more money. It can also be more costly, but it could also be less costly than what you're buying now.
Well, and it's not just how the light is produced, it's also how the light is controlled and
Right.
maybe the shape of the light altogether, right?
Right. The most important part about lighting is that it helps the environment and it helps the people in the environment perform their task. That's the most important, right? Is it appealing? If I go to a restaurant or a hotel or a nice venue, does the lighting look spectacular? Does it make me feel homey? Does it make me want to be in that environment? Same thing with work in a retail space. Lighting, the most important part about it is when I walk into the space, the retail looks great. Like when I walk into a Verizon, does it make me want to buy a phone?
Right.
And that's the important part about lighting.
Hey, thanks for watching. Before you go, 3 quick things. First of all, if you like this content and you want to see more of it, hit the like and subscribe button down below. We're going to be releasing these on a regular basis. So while you're down there, hit the notification bell, and when we come out with new content, you'll be notified. This is a community that's built on your questions, your comments, and your participation. There are 2 ways that you can participate in that. One, obviously, ask questions in the comment section down below or make a comment. We'd love to know what you hear. Also, we're taking your comments, putting them together, and there is a companion podcast that goes along with this video where we're going to answer all of your questions and all of your concerns that you have around this topic or any others. Look in the show notes down below for links to the podcast or any of our other content. Thanks, guys.